Okay, testing the battery welder. Let me show you. I have the battery here. There's dead cells here. I have changed already 3 of these, but this is a AWITS. There's some info about this. This thing. It's just battery operated. So I have this, there's a manual. What's in here? Oh, there's the sandpaper and some connecting stuff. Okay, we'll try with this. I have a little bit here. Okay, let's try to sand this. Okay, now it's good. Okay, that was good to hit it to the there. Okay, we'll try this. There. Now we can measure this one battery at a time. There. 5. 5. 5. That is dead. That is dead. And this is dead. All these 3 are dead. Okay, so we'll change these 3 batteries. We'll just have to get them out. I think from this side. So these 3. Now we cut these open and try to get them out. This is very delicate work. I don't have any tools, but I use this pen. Damn this. Okay, when we can double check these 0 to 5 dead, 0 to 6 dead, 009 dead. Okay, now the new batteries. These are cleaned. I will put these here. Maybe we should clean these edges. Now we'll just have to make a new bridges here. Okay, I think this is much thinner than this, what I was trying with. But let's make it with this. Let's try. Okay, I need to sand this, I think. This doesn't seem to be very reliable. But we'll hope for the best. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's do the other bridges here and then connect it to there. I think I have to sand hold this thing. Okay, let's try. Okay, there, and so on. Okay, this is done now. These are the new weldings here. There, and there. Let's see what it shows. Okay, 200 volts. Let's put this here. 50.3. Okay, that's good. Now it should look like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 31, 37, 41, 52, 41, 50, 47. Okay, and 52. Yes, that's good. Now we'll just put this together. Put this here. Okay, I think this battery is pretty much done after this. There's no point of repairing this anymore. Maybe take a few batteries from there, but nothing else. And nothing else matters. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's try this before my battery ends. It works. It works again. Good. So I did change 3 cells before, and now 3 more was busted after a few weeks, after a month, and not many rides. So I think that battery is gone. But it works again, so let's see how long it works. But it's a good little pen welder. It just needs more power. Okay, but that's it.